Still using the old way to remove backgrounds? You're just wasting time. Here's a one-click method that does it instantly. First, open your browser and go to remove.bg. Once you're on the website, click Upload Image, then select any picture you want to clean up. You can also drag and drop the file directly onto the page. After that, remove.bg will automatically process your image, usually in just a couple of seconds. And there you go. The background is gone. When you're done, click Download to save the standard preview resolution. Now, if you want the HD resolution, you'll need to subscribe and pay a few dollars. But honestly, since I'm using the free version here, the preview quality is already more than enough for simple projects. Finally, I've got the final result with the background perfectly removed, clean, neat, and exactly what I needed. Big shout out to all the amazing patrons supporting Code Instinct on Patreon. You help keep this channel running. If you want to support even more and unlock exclusive content like PDF tutorials, source code, and other special resources, feel free to join the Patreon community. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.